Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. And today I'm working in the garage, spray painting some things for my Christmas decor. I'm so excited to get started on Christmas. And I'm doing some prep work beforehand for some decor. I shopped my home. I'm using some things that I already had and I'm repurposing them. That's the best way to decorate, is when it's for free. So come along with me and see what I'm up to. One of the things I recommend when you're spray painting with any kind of aerosol spray is to use a mask. Just protect your lungs. Now it doesn't look pretty, but it does the job. All right, here we go. And then I found this old picture frame tucked away in my husband's office in a cabinet, but it's kind of that barn wood, and I had it from my daughter-in-law's shower, and I just took the picture out of it, and I'm going to repaint this white because this is going to go with my Christmas decor. All right. Now, because this was in a cabinet, I'm just going to wipe it down, make sure there's no dust on it. Open it up and lay this paint cloth in here over the cardboard so we don't get paint on it. So here we go. And you just want to, move your can. You want to have very fine, spray by, because if you don't, you're going to have drips and you don't want that. Okay, here we go. Stand back a good distance. Very fine mist. I'm not too concerned with a complete coverage because I want it to look shabby. Okay, so we're going to let this dry for 30 minutes and then come back and do another coat. Now I'm using snow blower to give it that snow effect.
And then what I did while the snow was wet, I sprinkled it with the glitter and then let it dry overnight, and the next day I came back in with the Martha Stewart sealer and put a good coat of sealer on it so the glitter and the snow wouldn't rub off. And oh my goodness, it came out beautiful. Look at this. Frosty and snowy. It looks like snow crystals, ice crystals. Exactly what I'm going for with my theme this year. So I'm really excited about how it came out. Right, so now what we're going to do is go into part 2. I'm going to show you what the sign looks like that I made for my cocoa bar. And then part 3 will actually be the Canva tutorial. What I'm doing is just lining up the glass, and I'm going to use a pencil and outline the glass to know where to cut it to fit into my picture frame. And I did print it out on cardstock to give it more stability. Hey, ready for the big reveal? Look at how cute. So see, you can make adorable signs yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do that on Canva. So you can either watch this to its entirety if you don't know how to use Canva and you want to learn. And the best way would be to sit at your computer and log into canva.com. And I'm going to show you as we walk through this tutorial together.
So you want to go into your browser and type in canva.com, canva.com. Then you'll set up an account. It's free. And then you're going to click on Create Design. Okay, now once you have started creating, you'll have all your designs in here, and all you can do is click on it. You can upload photos, you can print this, you can actually add a brand to it, you can set up folders, so it's awesome. But anyway, you're going to click on Create a Design. Now I've already created it, so I'm going to just kind of walk you through one. I'm going to click on Create a Design. And then custom dimensions, social media, a presentation, a poster. They actually have YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnails. I mean, there's a whole list. Facebook, Instagram, blog, Twitter, Pinterest. I mean, this is an amazing resource. So you can see now I've got a template here, okay? And you can go into any of these photos. Now, if I just click on it, you'll see photos. So look at what they have. Like they have fall leaves. You can click on Christmas. And they have borders. They have ornaments, packages, lights, and a lot of these are free. So you can use. Now, if they cost anything, then you can pay whatever it is, $1, or you can do a monthly subscription. But you can get all kinds of great photos and templates in here. Look at them all. It's just elements. Now, I used some cookies earlier, so I just clicked on cookies. But they've got grids and shapes and stickers and, you know, just go in and play around and see everything they have. Or you can go into the search engine. Let's just type in Santa. Look at all the cute little things that come up. Ho, ho, ho. So you can use these. Let's just, for the heck of it, so you can see me. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show up right here. Now, I could size that, okay, and you can come up here, and you can change your colors. So right up in here, this is orange. Well, I want it to be red for Christmas. So I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go down and click on red. Look at that. It changed it to red. Now, there's an outline that's blue. And let's just say I wanted it to stand out with black. And look at how it just popped that. So you can go in and you can create, you can size it by pulling it down. If you wanted to make it like a little ornament or on the corner of a page. And then let's say you wanted to add Santa. Woohoo, there's Santa. We make him a little bit smaller. And let's say I like that hoe. If I click on it and I go up over here to duplicate, watch. It'll give me a second hoe and I just drag it down. Ho ho, let's do it one more time. Duplicate it, and there you go. That's a start for a cute little card or invitation to a Christmas party. They've got all kinds of things. Now, just so you can see down here, like this cute little Santa hat, okay? Right next to it here, there's a $sign. So that means that costs money. But if you click on it, it's only $1, and once you buy it, you have it forever in your file. All right, so I'm going to go out to my file. This is where I was working, creating for my hot cocoa bar. I just went over to Elements and typed in cocoa. And you can see all the different things it has for cocoa. I'm going to start with using text. I'm going to click on the text, and I'm going to see maybe a text that I like. And I'm just going to click it, and it's going to show up there. And then if there are elements on it I don't want, I highlight the element and I go up into the right-hand corner and I hit the little rubbish barrel and delete the element. So now I've just got the word, and I'm going to just back up like you would on your computer if you were working in a Word document. And let's just say I like the word love, but it's too small. So I'm going to pull it out just to make it bigger. There you go, got love. So now I'm going to add the word cocoa, and I want it to be a cute font. So I'm going to go over to text again, and I'm going to pick add a heading. And that's going to give me this right here. Now I want to work with it bigger, so I'm going to go up here to where the size is, just so I can see what I'm doing. I can always change that. And then I'm just going to pull this out. I'm going to back out that word, and I'm going to type in cocoa. Okay, so now I'm going to go up and I'm going to look at the different fonts. So I'm going to select a font because this is highlighted, the cocoa word I just typed in. And I'm going to select that font, see what it looks like, and see how it changed it. See how it changed it. Now, if I liked that, I could increase the size, but see, that's way too small. If I like it, I can keep stretching it out. Grab on it and move it over and stretch it out to get it to be the right size. Click on it again. So there you go. And under elements, I'm going to go up here and type in line. And then hit enter. And see, it gives me all kinds of choices of lines. And you can scroll down. Pick which line you want. Like if you were doing like the Christmas tree sign. See how it pops up free? You're doing the Christmas tree sign and you wanted to use that. I've got a line here, and then you go up here and you can change your colors. So I'm going to make it a red line. And see this little thing, a lot of you are familiar with that. That just adjusts. If you use Word program, you know what that does. Okay, let's just say I'm in Elements again, and I like that cup of cocoa. Always hit enter. And let's say I like this cup. When I click on it, it's going to put it here. And then what I'm going to do is resize it. Just drag it down to whatever size you like. And see how it's got the grid lines, so it shows you where you are, so you're even. Okay, now I don't like the colors, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go up here to the corners, and it shows me all the colors. So I'm going to take that blue and make it red because it's Christmas. See how it changed the color of the cup? It's going to come over here. This might work. I want something bold. There you go.
Well, that gives you an idea. Just go into Canva and play around and have some fun and create some wonderful things for yourself and your family. I'm so glad that you were able to join me today, and if you like things like this, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day.